MRPZ review. Watch before using. Most small manufacturers struggle not because of poor sales, but because of poor production planning. And that's where Mr. Peasy changes the game. Mr. Peasy is a cloud-based manufacturing resource planning system designed for small manufacturers. It helps manage production schedules, inventory, bills of materials, and purchasing. Here's what most people get wrong. They think MRP systems are only for large factories. Mr. Peasy is designed for small businesses. You can track raw materials, plan production orders, and manage supply chains in one dashboard. However, the surprising truth is that setup requires careful configuration. Mr. Peasy is best for small manufacturers who want better control and efficiency. The surprising truth is that better planning reduces waste and increases profits. Mr. Peasy helps make that happen. If you want smarter manufacturing operations, Mr. Peasy is worth considering. Subscribe to the channel for more business software reviews and growth tools.